Hello everyone, today we will see how the very modern machines are used in agricultural fieldwork. We believe that many people will want to be a farmer if they could own one of these machines. The first farming machine that we are seeing on screen is considered a monster in harvesting sugar beets. This machine was designed by German engineers. The cabin of this machine is designed to help the driver see everything around him, which makes them feel like they are sitting in an extremely spacious space. Tons of sugar beets were quickly loaded onto the truck, thanks to this state-of-the-art machine. The next modern agricultural machine introduced in this video is a machine used to clean the drainage system of the fields. This machine is equipped with a saw blade that makes it possible to cut and collect all the weeds along the way. These drones are transforming into apple picking workers. Thanks to advanced algorithms and sensors, they can replace humans in harvesting apples in large-scale farming fields. This is a machine used in plum gardens. This machine is designed with extremely strong vibration. It causes all ripe plums to fall and then be transferred to plastic trays by conveyor system. Not only used in plum gardens, this modern machine is also used to harvest other fruit such as cherries or almonds. This is a modern agricultural machine that only appears in the largest cornfields in the United States. This machine looks like a robot and is capable of sowing 47 seeds of corn every second. In the US, only a few large agricultural companies are equipped with this modern seeding machine. Would you like to be a farmer if you owned this modern machine? Next, we will come to another harvester used to harvest corn plants. This machine is capable of cutting and shredding millions of corn plants before transferring them to trucks. Thanks to the sharp blades and powerful motor equipped, not a single thing is missed as this machine goes through the field. The entire corn plant in this field will be made into silage to make fodder for livestock. This is the process of harvesting grass at golf courses. This machine will flip the grass up and roll them up. These grass rolls will then be taken to another place to take care of, or sometimes they will be transferred to other golf courses. On our screen now are the machines used to harvest wild blueberries. This machine is designed to pick whole ripe blueberries, and then these berries will be transferred to plastic trays thanks to the integrated conveyor system. Tons of blueberries after harvest will also be transported to factories for packaging or juice production. The next farming machine we will explore in this video is a machine used to harvest wheat. Basically, this machine is designed similarly to the corn harvester we just saw. Next, we will come to another agricultural machine. This is a modern agricultural machine capable of performing many different functions. This machine can perform tasks such as harvesting sunflowers, harvesting wheat, harvesting corn, sowing seeds, spraying pesticides, and watering large fields. To be able to perform various tasks such as harvesting or sowing seeds, this machine only takes about 10 minutes to swap tools. This machine makes harvesting pumpkins easier than ever. This next machine we will explore is a machine used on large-scale fruit farms. This harvester makes harvesting at fruit farms extremely easy and saves the maximum amount of time. In addition, the fruit is also cleaned thanks to the conveyor system and high efficiency fan system. If you are a large-scale cabbage grower, I believe you will want to own this giant harvesting machine. It can harvest tons of cabbage a day and arrange them neatly into wooden crates for storage. This is a harvesting machine weighing up to 14 tons. It can work continuously in the potato fields and quickly cover the potato head on the truck. The last modern agricultural device we will explore is a solar-powered robot. This machine is capable of automatic and extremely precise seeding and weeding. Thanks to a modern sensor system, this machine can weed without affecting the crops. How do you feel about the farming machines featured in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Goodbye and see you again.